Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to add a location on Instagram. This method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. Before starting the video, please make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon from the middle bottom side of the screen. Then tap on post and select photo or reel, whatever you want. Just select the file and tap on next. Add a caption about your post, and to add a location, tap on the add location option. You can turn on location service to automatically pick your location, and also you can input any other location if you want. Now tap on share and wait a few seconds. In the next step, you can select to automatically share to Facebook or just share Instagram only. I am just choosing to share to Instagram only, waiting a few seconds to post our photo or reel. Now you can see there is a location under our Instagram username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.